Welcome to Us Bike Pro, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of motorcycles. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus, a bike that continues to rule the commuter segment with trust, efficiency, and everyday practicality. Timeless design with modern touch. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus keeps its iconic design intact while adding subtle modern updates. The body graphics feel fresher, the paint quality looks premium, and the overall build still reflects durability. It's a motorcycle that instantly feels familiar yet slightly refined for the new generation. Reliable engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Splendor Plus is a refined 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine. It delivers smooth power for daily city rides and excellent low-end torque for traffic conditions. The engine is tuned for reliability, ensuring consistent performance even after long-term use. Outstanding mileage efficiency. Mileage remains the biggest strength of the Hero Splendor Plus. The 2026 model continues to offer impressive fuel efficiency, making it a perfect choice for daily commuters, office riders, and budget-conscious buyers who want low running costs. Comfort and ride quality. The upright seating position, soft suspension setup, and comfortable seat make everyday rides effortless. Whether it's short city trips or longer daily commutes, the Splendor Plus offers a relaxed and fatigue-free riding experience. Final thoughts. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus proves once again why it's one of the most trusted motorcycles on the road. With proven reliability, excellent mileage, and simple maintenance, it remains a smart and practical choice for everyday riders.